boss man.
We just got done watching a Circle Theory play some Incubus and Deftones, so we're about to go check them out and see what they think about their performance. See, they were great.
No, I only got one now. I quit that other place.
So, excuse me, you're fine, you're fine.
Pass.
So what you think, John?
Pass.
How was it, brother?
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah? Yeah? What do you don't think it was great?
I don't know, that could have been better, I guess.
Yeah?
It can always be better.
Dude, thanks a lot.
We love it. We're actually doing an interview right now, John. We're gonna see what old Saj and Brandon think here in a second too. Saj, over here. So what do you think, man? What do you think tonight?
I think we kicked some fucking ass.
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
I think it was great.
I had a great time, dude.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dick's still hard.
Yeah?
So if I poke you with something, you might have to watch out.
That's okay. Tell me what you think about the performance, brother.
Performance?
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It was fun for me.
Yeah. Dude, you were rocking out back there on the
Thanks,
drums,
man.
dude.
Yeah,
It was
good.
crazy. Yeah, no, it was good. No, it was good. No, that was one. I'm telling you, it was great. I loved it. I love it. Oh yeah, we saw that for sure. What do you think, Daniel?
Fantastic.
Yeah, I loved it,
I can't
dude.
say if it was good or bad, but it was fun. Man.
Yeah, that's all that matters. That's the most important part. I loved it. I thought you guys were excellent,
We
really.
could have blew it. We could have blew it, and it was still fun.
Oh yeah,
You know?
for sure. That's what it's about.
Oh yeah.
We love it. One of many.
Appreciate y'all supporting me.